I think it's a lot of fun. I think it's really cool to see all these kids really interested in the things we're doing.
Right now is they're just they choose a program that they want, a build that they want to build, and then they build it. We give them the brains, and they build it. They over there took 8 minutes. Some will take longer.
So at one of our stations, they are building cars out of mints and popsicle sticks and straws. They get to race them too, which is really fun. At another one of our stations, they are building Lego robots, so they get to use the computers and code. At one of our other stations, they are building balancing robots, so doing a little arts and crafts and seeing the balancing. And then we're playing with Sphero circuits.
This is like critical thinking in action, right? I mean, these kids right here are building cars out of popsicle sticks and straws and lifesavers and trying to figure out how to make it go, right? Go down the ramp, and lots of times it doesn't work the first time, right? And they've got to figure out, how do I tweak it? What do I need to do to make it go faster or further or whatever the case may be? And so you can kind of see that light bulb go off. And really that light bulb is what today's all about.